Put banana in the cake batter, and you'll just want to eat cake like that. For this recipe, we are going to add 3 eggs in a container, a cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, and we are going to beat it very well until the sugar is completely dissolved. And guys, this cake looks amazing. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it, because it is delicious and it is very easy. Let's now add 200 ml of coconut milk and mix very well. People are already commenting to me, "What city are you watching us from?" That I will send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. Now add 2½ cups of wheat flour. I'm adding little by little and mixing with the whisk like this here, right? I will now add a spoonful of baking powder. And hit again. And today, I'm going to send a special big hug to Isabella from Chicago. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I'm going to add now our dough in a greased shape and sprinkled with wheat flour. I added half of the dough. I'm going to fix it. And I'm going to cut banana slices in this personal way, in this way, and adding to our dough. Now let's put another part of the dough and spread it very well. I'm going to make a little sugar mix and cinnamon powder. Mix these 2 ingredients very well and put it on top of our dough. It will be a very beautiful cake and very tasty. Let's bake at 392 degrees for 35 minutes. Our cake is ready. You saw that it's super easy to make and it's delicious. It's a super cute cake, and that the banana makes all the difference. It's a delight. So if you liked it already, share, and until next time. Goodbye.